What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it's getting that big reversal off the bottom, just exactly as we predicted yesterday. If you take a look at our macro time frame here, you can see every single time that we have come down to this macro trend line here, we have got the bounce. And as you can see, it's no different this time for Vechain. We have been getting horribly overextended to the downside, just like we have been before. You can see here, we've got this big bullish divergence as well. Bears getting greedy, price action going down, but we've got our RSI actually making a higher low, meaning that we've basically got a big bullish divergence. And as you can see, it has played out pretty much to perfection. And we have actually got that massive pickup and reversal off the bottom. You can see here, we come up off the bottom, we come back down to retest, and we got that big bounce. And the last time this happened was actually here, where we got this little pickup, we come back down, we retest the bottom, and then we had the absolutely massive parabolic run, didn't we? And if we did that again, we'd be going easily up to 50 cents or $1. That price target that we've been setting for Vechain by the end of the bull run. So basically, you know, things going pretty damn good for Vechain overall, we would say. You know, we're getting that, basically, we got that formation that we've been under the cosh for a while, something like this. Got that big falling wedge that was coming to an apex, and as you can see, we've got the breakout, haven't we? And we've come all the way up, and it looks as though we have actually, you know, started to hit our head on this previous level of resistance here, which is essentially, you know, in and around that 11 cent level. I mean, if we're drawing our Fibonacci retracement tool here, you'll be able to see what's going on. Let's make sure this is drawn to the correct spot. So you can see here, we've actually come all the way up, and we're actually hitting our head on this previous level of support flipped into resistance like this. But I think after a 25% pump over the past, the past few days, that, you know, Vechain is probably going to have a little bit of a correction here. Probably come back down, retest some support, maybe at the 0.38 here, and then start to march on. But now that we're breaking out of this kind of formation here, we are expecting Vechain to have a very quick pickup. And, you know, the wider market is doing that very similar thing. Going into the 1st of October, bearish September is over and bullish October is here. And we can see quite clearly that, you know, with October coming into play, we have seen this very nice bounce off the downside, and we are looking for some higher price targets. So, you know, basically over the past few weeks, we have been looking for this bounce for a while. And it looks as though with September now finally done and out the way, the bearish just out the way as well, that we are starting to see that pickup in the market, and you can see it quite clearly here. We picked up all the way from around 8 cents, currently at around 11, just under 11 cents for Vechain. Basically stuck under our 55, but it looks as though we might reclaim the 20 here. So basically what we want to be seeing is, you know, reclaiming some of these resistances and moving on. So short-term price predictions then, we'll keep it short and sweet. Basically things looking really strong for Vechain. If we just take a look at what happened last time, we did see ourselves break out, roll over and back test support, but we do think with this massive bounce that we're getting, we could roll over here to the downside, maybe retest this 0.38 as support, or at worst come back down and retest the macro trend line one more time before getting that bounce to the upside. And if we do keep going here, we obviously want to see ourselves reclaiming this 0.50 at around, 12 cents, and we've also got the 618 at around 15 cents as well. These are the kinds of levels we want to be getting back up towards like this, so that we can, you know, make that macro higher low, higher, and continuation. And then as we said before, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain by the end of the bull run is very possible. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.